All guys, and consider right. Okay, it's a Killabee, the decks. It's a great. Okay, records. It's struggles. Great. The decks are great. You can see that. Okay, it's alright. That's what I tried, like, alright. Okay, like this thing. That's the date. Alright. There you go. I'm gonna try again. Alright. Things like, I actually like, okay, dates, right, okay, like, that's Thursday, okay, like, that day, I try, I try to just clean like, that date, I try to, like, after, like, today, great, so, at the day, to the cat app, alright, yeah, I got the seat, I think that takes a seat over, I think. Okay, so I've got the seats, I've got your decks, I think stay heavy. Yeah, got the decks. Alright. You can't get that quick next. Great. Next thing too late. Usually that feet usually get tight, alright. Because I get the foot next. Alright. Yes. Okay, okay, next, it's again. Sorry if I like the angle, just like that, go, like the 6 straight bolt, right, got the red decks. Great. Yeah, that's right. And I've got like the sink tank. Yeah, I got that like at the X. Seems like points on there, that right, really, right, okay, Good goings. Good, cool. Good screws. Okay, stick frame. Relax. Okay. Okay. I can try and think. Actually, like things. My goings. My fingerings. This is coming. I think. Okay, like that, right? Thanks. What to do? And right? So I can drink, I can drinks. I have things like drinks, like, so that I can drink. I try to say drinks. I can't do anything. Right? But I can't say that I can get drinks. Okay, drinks. I think we're going to see that talents like that. I think we're going to wrong and things. Guys, like, comment, and subscribe. I can't get the thanks. But guys, drink.